Multi-leaders are used to identify parts of a drawing with descriptive text. In this lesson, you will create multi-leaders, edit their multi-leader style, add an additional leader, and align two multi-leaders vertically. Open the Engine 7 project file and zoom in to the bottom of the drawing. Click the Multi-Leader tool here on the Leaders panel. The command line says Specify Leader Arrowhead Location, so click a point inside this combustion chamber. And then it says Specify Leader Landing Location. Click a point outside the engine. And then type Combustion Chamber. Up here you have the same controls as you would in the mtext command. So this works exactly the same, and in fact is multi-line text. Click Close Text Editor, and the text is created. However, it's very small. If you zoom in there, you can see it. It's so small because the style must be set to a small scale. You can access the multi-leader style by typing MLS for the ML Style command and press Enter. Click Modify to modify the standard style, and then down here we'll change the scale to 40. Click OK and Close. Zoom back out, and you'll see that the text height matches the text height of the dimension style, which also uses that same scale factor of 40. Let's create another multi-leader over here on this side. Click the multi-leader tool, zoom in down here, and specify the leader arrowhead location along the edge of this circle. So to snap there, I'm going to hold down Shift, right-click, and choose Nearest. Then I'll click a point along the edge of the circle, right there. I'll click another point over here and type bolt holes, plural. Click Closed Text Editor. And now I'd like to add another leader to connect to this other bolt hole. That's very easily done by clicking this tool, Add Leader. I'll select the multi-leader that I want to add it to, and then Shift, right-click, Nearest Snap, and click right here. Press Enter to end the command. I'll zoom out, and let's say I want to edit this particular leader. I'll click on it, and you can very easily move it by using this grip. I'll stretch the grip and move it over here. The text automatically flips over to the other side when it needs to. You can use this triangular grip to extend the extension line if you wish. Press Escape to deselect. If you have several leaders, it looks better if they're aligned. Use this command to align the leaders. It says Select Multi-Leaders on the command line, so I'll select them both and press Enter. Now it says Select Multi-Leader to Align to. I'll click this bolt holes leader and then use Ortho, and then click below it, and both of the objects are now aligned vertically. So to summarize, you learned how to create and style multi-leaders, how to add an additional leader to a multi-leader object, and how to align two multi-leaders.